Hey gang, welcome back.
Hi there. It's the coaster and the kid.
Yeah, the WestCoaster and the kid. We are on our way to the range.
Victoria Fish and Game Protectorate Association.
Victoria Fish and Game Protective Association.
Sure.
I think. Fish and
like
Game
that.
Club.
Yeah, we're going to play with our SKS rifles today because we're allowed to thus far.
Yeah. As of the latest there, if you're not following, we're the beginning of December, and the Liberal government of Canada is saying they're going to ban semi-automatic rifles. Sounds like they're going to get rid of, like, probably our SKSs will be in the category to go.
Been painted out as the bad boys rifle, but you aren't going to stop crime by turning a whole bunch of law-abiding citizens into criminals overnight.
Yeah, no kidding.
That's deep.
No kidding.
Yeah.
It is. Yeah, taking our guns away, I don't think that's going to solve any crimes, is it?
No.
No. Well, here we are at the range, and our favorite thing has occurred. There's nobody here.
No one. Not a soul.
But it's foggy and it's raining, and hopefully it's not too foggy that the range safety guy
Starts harassing us.
gives us a hard time.
I hear the llama's on the loose.
Yeah, the llama down at the multipurpose. We got a few different ranges here. We're at the rifle pistol range, which is the big main range.
Yeah.
And there's a multipurpose range, which is little bays for pistol shooting. Anything under 5.5 or 7.62 by 39 is the maximum you can shoot down there. It only goes to 25 yards.
Yeah. Wow.
But there's a llama that wanders around. The neighbor's llama likes to hang out. So a guy was just saying the llama was in the way and it was really foggy.
What kind of an animal is attracted to gunfire? I want to hang out by these really loud guns.
Yeah.
Fun.
Yeah, the llama's funny. He
gonna
ain't
get
shy.
shot.
He doesn't. This gunfire does nothing for him. Maybe he's totally deaf.
Probably is.
Yeah.
He doesn't wear ear safety devices.
No, he doesn't. He doesn't have eyes or ears on.
Not very safe at all. He's probably got a loaded mag there.
That range safety guy's not doing his job.
Gonna get on the llama.
Yeah.
All right, we'll see.
We'll write a letter. Yeah, we're gonna get out now and go shoot.
Pew.
Behold the magic van.
I'm a lucky fella.
Wow. All right. Let's go have a look at this empty range. Eyes and ears protection mandatory. Don't tell anybody, but we don't have them on yet. But there's nobody here.
Wow. You can see all the way up to 100. Oh, golly.
It's a little foggy. We got some targets out there, 50 and 100. The SunRise kid has got his rig on, so he can shoot. And we're gonna make this green safe range go hot.
Red hot.
Red hot. Got my SKS with the fractal burn stock that I keep showing off, and I got a video on this, of course. My son did that. That's zapped in there with electricity. That's not a wood burning kit. And here is the SunRise Kids SKS and his Ruger 1022. And the theme today is semi-autos, because these beauties are the things that our Liberal government wants to take away from us.
What am I going to do?
How does that work for you there, Mr. SunRise Kid, with semi-automatics?
I don't know. It would really change my life, make it a lot more difficult. So
Yeah.
I don't know. Anybody want to sponsor me? Huh.
Yeah, there you go. The SunRise Kid. Hint, hint. SunRise is for anybody who hasn't figured this out yet, SunRise is the fine company that makes the chair.
They make a chair called the Quickie.
Yeah, the Quickie.
There's nothing like your first Quickie. This is my 7th or 8th.
Anyways, we have digressed. The theme here is semi-autos because our government wants to take these away from us. Boy, I keep saying that, don't I?
You're scaring
It's
me.
a horrible prospect here. We don't know whether they're planning on including rifles like this or not, but that would impact my friend here.
It sure would.
Because this is something we can load that up and he can go at it for a while. He can't easily manipulate a bolt, so...
No, so Bill Blair, if you're listening, if you see this, if the CCFR sees this, make me your poster boy. And
Yeah.
Bill Blair, I don't like what you're saying.
Nor do I. Nor do I. Okay, so we're going to have some fun. We got some targets down there. The fog is lifting a bit, but it's still a bit sketchy at 200, so we've got 50 yard. See, this closest berm is 25, then we got 50, and then that's 100. You can see we got 2 gongs hanging there and a couple paper targets. So, let's have some fun. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, while the kids ringing the gong, I'm going to get it going on with my SKS. And I've got some cheap Chinese surplus to match the Chinese gun. Okay, we got the kid going with his Ruger 1022.
I love it.
Which he loves.
High speed.
High speed. Haha. Was that 10 for 10?
I think it was 9 for 10, to be honest with you.
It was pretty good. We got to practice for the Cabin Fever Challenge, eh?
Yeah, CFC, paper targets.
Yeah, paper targets. We'll put out paper targets this year. Okay, we got the kid hooking up with the SKS now. The Tula was a 1950.
1950.
Look at that. Beautiful.
It's a wonderful...
And what will the government who's going to buy these things from us do with this piece of history, do you suppose?
I have no idea. It would be a sacrilege, a shame to destroy such a beautiful piece of machinery.
It would be, but I'll bet that's what they'll do. And they'll make a big silly show of it.
That would be heartbreaking.
Yeah.
I couldn't watch that. This is a piece of history.
It ain't over till it's over, right?
It's 21 years older than me.
Huh, there you go. A piece of history indeed. Yeah. And that's a beautiful looking specimen you got there.
Thanks.
And we're going to shoot some classy barn owl out of there. None of that cheap Chinese stuff for the kid. Fun stuff.
Fun.
Fun, fun, fun. We have fun.
It's all about that.
It's all about the fun. Safety first, but fun.
Yes, safety first.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Fun is a hard second. Fun. That's it. That's a wrap. Fun.
That was fabulous.